Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Ulefone Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll in order to find either the accounts or Google. It's up to you which you prefer. I'd like to use the account, so let me tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got our previously added Google account, but we can add another. Simply tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. Right here, we have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so simply tap on it if you'd like to read it, and tap on I agree. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. If you will add the account, if it will be your first account, then you will probably go through the shortcut of a backup information. So simply tap on Accept, and then you will finish. If you want to, you can also remove the account. Simply tap on it, maybe not this one. Tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.